You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi there, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk to you about how to fix your iPhone when it's having trouble charging, okay? And there's a couple of things you can do before you bring it on down to the iPhone store and all that. First off, a lot of times you'll start to notice that your charger stops to work, and you have to fiddle around with it and get it to go on and off. It's usually not the charger. People run out and go and buy a new charger. So first off, do the easy thing. Check the charger, make sure it's a good connection, make sure there's no corrosion on the the lightning connection there. And then you can also, I would test this on another phone to make sure that your cable is absolutely secure and it's a good one. Okay, that being said, if your cable's good and you're still having problems, what you want to do is clean your charging port, which is here. So what you want to do is take a wooden toothpick, or you can use a Q-tip. If it's plastic, you can cut it on an angle and get it in there. You do not want to use metal or toothpick, metal or pins or anything like that. Metal on metals would be bad for your phone. And you just want to go in there and carefully clean out any crap that may come out. See, look, I just pulled out a bunch of dust that's sitting in there. So that's probably the culprit of why it can't make its connection. So you want to go ahead and clean all that out carefully with the wood. You don't want to leave any wood residue in there. So you clean out the dust and that collects in there from the lint in your pocket, etc. Clean that out decently. You don't want to force it. Let gravity take it out. So you can see I've already pulled out some gunk. There you go. That's probably the cause. If you plug it back in after you've cleaned it and with the toothpick and you're still not getting a connection, then one other thing you can do is take some isopropyl rubbing alcohol, put a very tiny amount on this toothpick or your Q-tip, and then go ahead and gently clean the connections with the isopropyl alcohol. That way you can make sure there's no corrosion on there, and let it dry quickly, or use an air sprayer, and then try to charge it. And usually that will fix the problem. Try all three of those things before you bring your phone in for repair, because it can be a little bit expensive to replace the charging receptacle, although it can be replaced if need be. So thanks for watching, really appreciate it. If you like what you see here, please subscribe, like, share, and tell me what you think below. And if you've had problems with your phone, let me know. We might be able to help you. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Have a great day.